How to enable waiting room in Zoom. First, open the Zoom app on your computer and sign in with your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Security tab, where you will see the option for waiting room. Check the box to turn it on, and this will make sure participants go into a waiting area before joining your meeting. If you want to adjust how it works, you can log into the Zoom web portal, open Settings, and scroll down to Security. There, you can customize who gets placed in the waiting room, such as everyone, guests only, or participants not in your account. Once enabled, the waiting room will automatically be active for your future meetings. During a live meeting, you'll see a notification when someone is waiting and you can admit them one at a time or all at once. This feature gives you more control and makes your meetings more secure and organized. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.